Hello students, I am Kavita ma'am and today we are going to learn our new topic, that is algebraic expressions. Okay. Now in my previous video already we learned what is meant by the expression, okay, and whatever basic terms are there in algebraic expression that also we learn in our previous video. और अगर आपने वो नहीं देखा है then description box में मैंने link दिए, please watch that video because today we are going to learn addition and subtraction of algebraic expressions. Okay. और उसके लिए आपको पता होना चाहिए कि what is meant by variable, what is meant by coefficient, okay, constant and terms. Most important thing is terms. Okay. So please watch that video and before starting please like, share and subscribe my channel. Okay students, now today we are going to learn addition and subtraction of integer, but before that we will learn the types of expression based on the terms. Okay, now as I told you that in previous video only we learn what is meant by terms. Okay, why term is important? Because we can add only and only like terms. Okay, and that types of term also we learn yesterday. Okay, so please watch that video. That video is very important before starting addition and subtraction. Okay, so before watching this video please watch that video. Now see, first the types of expression based on the terms. Okay, so first type is what? Monomial. Now monomial means what? See, in that word only we will get that meaning. Mono means what? Single. Means the expression in which single term is there. Single term. Okay, single or one term we can say. If single term or one term is there, that is monomial. Okay, monomial means what? The expression in which single term. Already we learned the term. Okay, term means what? Any number. Okay, if I will take plus 5, that is also one number, one term. Okay, now see, if minus 8 is there, that is also monomial. If I will take x square y, this is also one term. If I will take here 6a square b, this is also one term. Okay, because we know that in our expression, yesterday we learned that if x square plus 5x plus 2 is there, then that x square or that 5x or that 2, okay, they are the terms. Okay, so monomial means what? The single terms. Okay, expression having the single term. Now second type is what? Binomial. Second term is binomial. Now binomial means a bi means what? Two. Okay, so binomial means what? Two terms. The expression having two terms. Okay, two terms means what? Now binomial. Now how we will make this? See, we learned in our previous video that the terms are separated by addition and subtraction sign. Okay, so we will get the different types of terms. So what? See, if I will write here anything, okay, x square y and plus 5. Now see, this binomial, okay, made by the two terms. Okay, this two terms coming together, then we will get the binomial. Okay, so binomial means what? Two terms. Here see, this x square y is first term and this 5 is second term. Okay, now again we can make any term. If see, a square b square minus 6a. Okay, this is also what? Second term. See, here also two terms are there. Here a square b square one term and here 6a is a second term, minus 6a. So what? Binomial means what? Two terms. Okay, the expression having two terms is called the binomials. There two terms are there. Okay, if but students see, if I will write like this, if 6a square multiply 3a. Now this is what? This is a binomial? No, this is not a binomial. Okay, because many students are confusing. Always remember that terms are separated by addition and subtraction sign. But here multiplication sign is there, and in our previous video we learned already that if multiplication sign is there, it means it is only one term, single term. Okay, because this is only one single term. This is your binomial. Okay friends, now see, whenever multiplication sign is there, that is your monomial only. Okay, because this is a one term only. Multiplication sign not separated that two terms. Okay, it is single term only. Now we will see the trinomial. Trinomial means what? Now see, here also in word we will get tri means three. So three terms. Okay, if three terms are there, it means, see, if three terms are there, then it is trinomial. Now three terms means what? See, for example, we will take like this, x square plus 6xy minus 7. Okay, now see, here also three terms are there. Which are these the three terms? That is x square, this is first term, Okay, 6xy, this is second term, and this minus 7, that is what? Third term. Okay, why? Because between them plus and minus sign is there, so this x square, this and this, three terms we are getting. Okay, understand students? Now monomial, binomial, trinomial. Okay, and if more than three terms are there, then we will say it polynomial. Polynomial means what? More than three terms, we can say. More than three terms. More than three terms. But see students, together, okay, together this monomial, binomial and trinomial, they are also calling polynomial only. Okay, so if more than three terms are there, then we are saying it polynomial. Okay, so understand the concept? Monomial, binomial and trinomial and polynomial. Okay, first the most important thing is what? Terms. Okay, once you understand the term, so easily you can add and subtract the algebraic expression. Okay, now we will move towards our main point, that is addition of algebraic expression. Okay, so while addition and subtraction, always remember one rule. Okay, addition of algebraic expressions. Now one important thing is this. See, in last video also I told that we can add only, okay, only, I said this point is very important, only like terms. Okay, we can add only and only like terms. Okay, unlike terms we can't add. If unlike terms are there, then what we have to do, that we will see. Just see now. Okay, we can add only and only like terms. See, if we will see the examples, means you will understand. Now see, like term, yesterday we learned that like term means what? If any expression having same variable, okay, if same variable with their exponent, okay, their exponent means their power also same, and if the that variables also same, then they are like terms. Okay, now see, we will see this first example we will take. Okay, if I am taking here, see, 5a square b plus 7a square b. Now see students, first I will add only monomial. Okay, small example we will take, then we will move towards big example. So see here, 5a square b and plus 7a square b. Now first, before adding or before subtracting, you have to see whether they are like terms or not. Okay, now see here, 5a square b and here also a square b, means both side these variables are same and their exponent also same, means here also a square, this in this term also a square, in this term b, here also b, means they are like terms. Okay, so we can add the like terms. So one rule, always remember that while addition and subtraction, both I am telling, okay, while addition and subtraction we have to add only these numbers. Okay, this coefficient we are saying, yesterday we learned that coefficient. Okay, coefficient means what? This number. Now only this number we have to add. Now 5 plus 7 we have to add, and these whatever, see, a here also a square b and in this term also a square b, means these are common, so we can write here a square b. Only one a square b we have to write. Okay, from that a square b. Now see, 5 plus 7, 12, and this a square b you have to write a square b. Understand student what I have done here? First see, 5 square b plus 7 square b. Now what we have to do? We have to add only these numbers. Okay, this number we are seeing the coefficient. We have to add only the coefficient. So 5 plus 7. Okay, 5 plus 7 is what? 12. And this a square b you have to write as it is. Why? Because both side a square b is there. Both are like term. So only one a square b we will write. Okay, that is what your answer. Okay, 12a square b. How to add the like terms, understand? Then now we will move towards binomial, okay, or trinomial addition. Now see, this one, now we will, this is monomial plus monomial. Okay, now we will take binomial. If we will take like this, see here, okay, 3xy minus 5. Okay, if the question is this, and again we have to add. Okay, or question we will write like this. See, question 2 is we will write, if add 3xy minus 5 and okay 5x minus 7. Okay, we will take 7. Now how we will add these? Just see, first rule, always remember that we can add only like terms. Now see, okay, we will write this first. See, 3xy, always See, while writing, first write down it in proper way. 3xy minus 5. This is first expression, and we have to add this and this expression. So plus, now 5x minus 7. This we have to add. Now see here in these both numbers. Now see, we have to see that they are like or not. Now see here 3xy is there and here only 5x is there. So they are not like, so we can't add that. Okay, but we can add these numbers. Okay, because they are constant, we can add them. Okay, now if like terms are not there, then what we have to do? See here. Now 3xy, it is not having any pair, means it is not having any like terms. So 3xy you can keep as it is. Okay. Now this minus 5 is there. Minus 5. Now this minus 7 I am taking this side. Minus 7. Okay. It is easy for calculation. Plus 5x as it is. Why? Because 5x also we can't add. It not having any pair. It not having any like term. So our answer is what now? See. 3xy as it is 3xy. We can't add. Huh? We can't add 3xy with 5 or 7 or plus 5xy because they are not like terms. We can add only like terms. मतलब जिनके वेरिएबल और उसके पावर सेम होंगे उसके साथ हम उसको ऐड कर सकते हैं. नाउ minus 5 minus 7. Now same sign is there, so addition. So 5 plus 7 what? 12. Minus 12. See, integers भी आपको आना चाहिए साइन. अगर आपको integers में if you are lacking behind in integers, और अगर आपको integers solve करते हुए कोई problem आता है, मतलब ये minus sign क्यों आया, या how you do done addition because subtraction sign is there, like that question students are asking. If you have like that problem, then see addition and subtraction of integer. That video also already I have uploaded. Okay, and in description box also I given that link. Please watch both video, means you will get idea. Okay, why that minus 12 came. Now and plus 5x as it is. Why? Because it is also not having any like terms. Now see, this we can't add. Okay. Now see 3xy. Our answer is okay. Over answer. Answer is what now? 3xy minus 12 plus 5x. Only this much your answer. Why? Because we can add only like terms. Now like terms are not there. Both all are the unlike terms. So your answer is finished. Okay. Now we will see the trinomials. Okay. Trinomials addition. If the little bit, see x square plus 6x. Okay. Minus 8. And again we have to add that. Okay, 7x square minus 6x, okay, and plus 9, like this I will take. Now how you have to do? See, first first write down this first term, okay, first expression, x square plus 6x minus 8, okay, plus here 7x square minus 6x plus 9. Now first always remember whenever you are solving these examples, first see whatever like terms are there. Now like terms means what? Their expression should, their variable should be same. Now here see, here also x square, here also x square. It means they are like terms. So write them together. X square plus 7x square. Okay. Now plus 6x. Now see here. Here 6x is there. X is variable and here also 6x. X. Okay. So both are equal. Okay. Variable, they are like terms. So we will take together plus 6x and minus 6x. Together we will take. Okay. Because it is easy for calculation. But whenever you are taking that number, whenever you are changing place, always remember you have to take that term. Okay. With sign. Now see. Plus 6x I wrote as it is. And here this minus 6x. Okay. With this minus sign I took this. Okay. Don't take only 6x. Okay. Now minus 8 and plus 9. Remaining one we will write together. Now see how we will add. Now first these two addition. Then these two and this. Okay. Now see. X square and plus 7x square. Now here x square means only one x square is there. See, in my previous video already I told you, if nothing is there, so okay, we can add only coefficient. Now for this x square nothing is there, means here always 1 is there. Okay, so but we are not writing, they are not given now 1, so only x square. Okay, always remember if nothing is there means it is 1. So 1 plus 7, it is what? 8. 8x square. Okay, now see student, plus 6 minus 6. Now plus 6 minus 6 means what? 6 minus 6, it is what? 0. So one trick I will tell you, whenever same numbers will be there, whenever like terms and same numbers, okay, coefficient also same, and if they are having different sign, okay, opposite sign means here plus 6x and here minus 6x. Okay, 6x, 6x, both are same. Okay, so we can cut here, means because we know that their answer will become 0 only. So no need to do that. Okay, it is for easy calculation. Okay, always remember. Now here minus 8 plus 9. Now different sign. So subtraction. Okay, here also integer you should know. Okay, for that watch that video. 9 minus 8. Okay, so here plus 1, big number sign we are giving. So our answer is what now? 8x square plus 1. Now we can't add this 8 plus 1. Okay, why? Because they are not like terms. We can add only and only like term. Students, understand how I done this? See, first this expression was there, x square plus 6x minus 8. Okay, and 7x square minus 6x plus 9. Okay, first I wrote this with plus sign. Okay, with addition sign. Now whatever like terms are there, see, x square, both side x square is there, so they are like terms. So these I wrote together. See, here x square as it is x square plus 7x square. Okay, now plus 6x minus 6x. Okay, and minus 8 plus 9. Now nothing is there means 1. So x square plus 7x square, it is 8x square. Now plus 6x minus 6x, both having same sign, so their addition should be 0. So no need to write, you can cut that. It means here their addition will be 0. And minus 8 plus 9. Okay, so here also subtraction because of different sign. So 9 minus 8, 1, and big number sign plus 1. Okay, so answer is 8x square plus 1. Understand, student, how to do the addition of algebraic expression? Addition of algebraic expression is very easy to understand also. Okay, only one rule you have to always remember, that we have to add only and only like terms. Okay, if unlike term are there, then you can keep as it is. Okay, वो वैसे के वैसे ही लिखने हैं आपको, उसके साथ कुछ भी नहीं करना है, सिर्फ like terms का आपको addition और subtraction करना है यहाँ पे. Okay, now we will move towards the subtraction of algebraic expression, and that point is really very important, little bit difficult, okay, than addition of the algebraic expression. So just please see, but before that, please, if you're not subscribed, then please subscribe my channel. Okay, and tell to your friends also, means they will also get these important videos. Okay, now we will see the subtraction of integer. Now in subtraction of algebraic expression, same rule you have to remember, that we can subtract only like terms. Okay, this only like terms. We can't subtract unlike terms. Okay, if the unlike terms are there, then we can't subtract. Okay, and we can't add also. Okay, so see, we will see directly our one examples, means you will understand. Now subtraction, same. If the question will be now in subtraction question also many students are confusing. Why not just see a question will be like that. Now directly we will see the polynomials. Okay, or trinomial or binomial. Okay, now monomial you will be understand. Now see, subtract, question will be like that. Okay, subtract, see, 5a square minus, okay, or plus 9 from 9a square minus 5a minus 6. Okay, like this example expression we will take. Now see, always remember the question and always read the subtraction question. Why? Because many students are making mistake while writing only. Okay, how they don't know how to arrange that numbers, because in addition what the question will be add this and this, so on the place of and we are writing addition sign and we are adding that. But in subtraction, see, always remember what question is, what? Subtract 5 square plus 9 from 9a square minus 5 minus 6. It means what? This number, this word is very important. From means they told that from this expression, means from the second expression you have to subtract this first expression. While writing, no, what we are habitual to write directly, no. So many students, how they are doing, directly they are writing this first term 5 square plus 9 minus, means subtract this term. So and their answer is wrong. Okay, they are losing their marks. So always remember how you will arrange. First, what they told, subtract this from this. So first this we have to write. Okay, so your, see, 9a square minus 5a minus 6. From this we have to subtract. So first this you have to write. subtraction sign. And one trick I will tell you, that whenever you are subtracting, then whatever second expression is there, okay, that always write in bracket. Okay, for easy calculation I am telling you. See, always remember this trick. Now see, this I will write 5a square plus 9 in bracket. Why in bracket? Just always see. Now see, this I am writing as it is 9a square minus 5a minus 6. See, in integer, while integer lesson I told you that one rule is there, whenever out of bracket minus sign is there, then inside sign will change. अगर आपने वो वीडियो देखा नहीं है तो प्लीज देखो, क्योंकि वो इंटीजर लेसन एंड वॉट एवर माई प्रीवियस वीडियो इज देयर ऑन अलजेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन, दैट आर द बेस ऑफ दिस. ओके, सो यू शुड नो दैट. सो वो देखो पहले. नाउ आउटसाइड ऑफ ब्रैकेट माइनस साइन इज देयर, सो इनसाइड साइन विल चेंज. 5a square, okay, it is plus, sign is not there means it is positive, so it will become negative 5a square. और ये प्लस 9 ये भी बन जाएगा -9, और अगर यहाँ पे -9 होता तो वो प्लस बन जाता. ओके, नाउ आवर सेकंड स्टेप इज व्हाट, टेक लाइक टर्म्स, okay, together. And you understand, student, why I took this minus? Because always remember when your minus sign is there, because this subtraction sign is for whole term, whole expression, so we took this. Okay, now out of bracket minus sign is there, so plus 5 square become -5, and here also plus 9 will become -9, और अगर यहाँ पे माइनस होता वो प्लस बनता. Okay, now see, like term we will take together, here a square and here also a square, so like terms, a 9a square with sign you have to take, minus 5 square. Now minus 5a. Now see, again a is not there anywhere, means it not having any pair of like term, so keep as it is. And now -6 -9. Now you can add this, add or subtract. Now see, different sign is there, so subtraction. 9 minus 5, it is 4a square. 5 not having any pair, so you keep as it is, because our rule is what, we can add only like terms, so it not having any like term pair, so 5 as it is. And now here also both having same sign, so addition, 6 plus 9 15. Okay, minus 15. So your answer is what, 4a square minus 5a minus 15. But don't add this 4a square minus 5. Why? Because they are not like terms. We can add and subtract only and only like terms. Okay, so student, please remember always that whenever subtraction question is there, so please read it properly, from which expression what you have to subtract. From this you have to subtract this, so don't write first one this. Okay, so otherwise your answer will be wrong. So first write down this. Okay, subtract, and what I told, after subtraction whatever expression is there, that you can write in bracket. Okay, so it is easy for solving. Why? Because outer bracket, if minus sign is there, that is integer rule, that inside sign will change, because this subtraction sign is for whole expression. So plus will become minus, this also plus will become minus, then like term take together and just subtract, you will get your answer. Okay students, you understand, today we learn very important topic, that is addition and subtraction of algebraic expression. एंड सी, प्लीज कमेंट बॉक्स में आप जरूर मुझे लिख के भेजें कि आपको मेरा वीडियो कैसे लगा, और प्लीज लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल. मतलब मुझे भी आपको ऐसे इम्पोर्टेंट वीडियो बना के, ओके